Neil McAvoy, Assembly Member, South Wales Central. I'm at Cardiff City Hall where just over a week ago thousands of us gathered and we met here full of colour, Welsh flags and great humour, and we marched for Welsh sovereignty. Every single person that came here liked things on social media, retweeted, was saying in unison, in a united voice, that Wales matters. Thousands of us marched here in this very road, and the political establishment was shocked at the huge size of the turnout. The BBC Wales reported hundreds. When I got home, I got on the phone to them, and in the end, even they had to concede that the march was huge and the headline was changed. A week is a long time in politics, and in the week since the march, we've seen the launch of the Brexit party in Wales with Farage, who is, let's be honest, an English nationalist, only concerned with the southeast of England. He knows nothing about Wales.
88% of the UK economy is not exported. We're in Wales.
And yet, people tell us that all our problems will be solved when we leave the EU. That's rubbish. The root of all of Wales's problems is being dominated and ruled by an out-of-touch elite in Westminster. We need a sovereign Wales. This is where we gathered after the march with thousands of us listening to really inspirational words. Everyone together, the same purpose. We want a united, open, welcoming, sovereign Wales. There's no going back. The genie is out of the bottle. Everyone who stood here said together that Wales matters. This Thursday in the European elections, we have another chance to say to the establishment that Wales matters. Let's take that chance and vote Plaid Cymru this Thursday. Diolch yn fawr.